Okay, what we're doing here is we've had a bit of a rust show up in the back of the Falcon, so I've ground all the paint and various crap off it. So just going to fill this. It's not a big hole. Put a bit of filler in it, let it dry, prep it and paint it. Cool. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, we have sanded everything back and made sure it's all nice, and chuck some newspaper around it. And what we'll do now is we'll prime him up. And yeah, away we'll go. See what happens. Quick prime. Yeah, it's not too bad. Could be better, but it's alright. Too shabby. There's no big holes in it anymore. Prime him up. Now we paint it, see how it comes up. Cool. Well, it's not perfect in any shape or form, but for my first go, it's not too bad. Gotta try new things and keep an eye. Okay, I just need to give it a bit of a sand after it cures and holes fixed. As I said, could be better, but hey, look, first try is a good try. Take care, see you next time.